What's up everybody, it's Russell here, aka Custom by Russ, and I'm here to give you guys my first YouTube video, which is going to be a restoration on these Oreo 5s. So what I'm about to do to these shoes are deep clean them, hit them with the repaint on the midsole, and re-dye the uppers. And right now what I'm about to do is remove the laces and start scrubbing away. So let's get into it.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, da-da-da.
So the shoes are pretty much done already. So what I do to prep my shoes is first I tape up the uppers so that when I start painting I don't get any paint onto the uppers, especially that this is suede. Next, I start acetoning the midsole to remove the factory finish and the old paint to make sure that the new paint that I put on adheres properly. And yeah, I'm gonna start doing So when I'm painting the midsole, I'm using light coats of paint and I'm speeding up the process by using a blow dryer on low heat because I do not have a heat gun. So yeah, tip of the day when you're repainting or just painting in general on shoes, just do thin light coats instead of thick coats because those thick coats won't hold up. But anyways, let's get back to the video. So to wrap this video up, this is the Jordan 5 Oreo restoration. If you guys want to purchase these shoes, just shoot me a DM on my Instagram or on my email in the description below. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share the video. And yeah, stay blessed, stay safe, and yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next one.